Mandy, we're here on the Bott stand at MACH 2024. Fantastic stand you've got here. Tell me about the range that's behind us.
Well, this week we're showcasing our Bott Cubio range. This is our professional system. It's fully modular, it's very heavy duty and highly functional, so it's perfect for this kind of environment.
100%, and you've got drawers, you've got cupboards, you've got everything that's needed for an engineering end user. You don't just deal with one-stop shop though, do you? You also have a project side. Tell me more about that.
Yeah, we do. Even though we have a fully diverse range, there are always bespoke solutions that a customer might need. So what we offer is that full project service. We will go to visit a customer or have a video call with them where we understand exactly their process. And then we will make our suggestions, give advice and create some special solutions that mean they get an exact solution to fit what they need. Some customers need more of a functional process. Some customers need something that's more aesthetically pleasing. Some customers need worktops that are cut around pillars. But all of that completes the project and gives them exactly what they need.
100%. So you can have customers that basically just need a one-off item, whether it be drawers, cupboards or anything like that. Mm-hmm. But if I'm coming from an engineering background where I want to not just kit my workshop out, but I want to help my engineers in not just cleanliness, but keeping up to date, knowing where all my tools and things are, Bott can help with that.
Absolutely. As I said, we listen to what they want, what is important to them, what challenges have they got that we need to help to resolve, and we will create the perfect solution for them from modular components. So not all of it is special, and that means we're able to keep the cost down to a minimum as well.
But with that, you also have movable items as well, which are ergonomic for the engineering industry.
Yeah, we're fully innovative. You know, we're designing products that help with the operators. We want to increase efficiency, but also make them ergonomic so that the users are aided in their day-to-day work.
So MACH is basically an engineering show, isn't it, with CNC milling, turning, additive manufacturing, fabrication. The list goes on at what could be at MACH. So you being here, you are targeting your whole target audience by being here with this stand.
Absolutely. We're manufacturers for manufacturers. So we love being around engineers. They are completely our target audience. And the comments that we've had so far has been really, really positive. So we believe that we are offering them the products that they want.
That's really great to hear. And I know there's been a lot of interest in one particular item that you've got on your stand. The stand looks incredible, green and black. Talk to me about colours and why a colour means so much.
Well, you know, individualization is gaining importance in any working environment. So we wanted to showcase that whatever your corporate colour, we can match it. So today we've shown the green because, believe it or not, that is our brand colour. So we're saying, you know, if you want to have a workshop that is in MTD red, then you can have that. If you want to have a workshop that is in pink or in blue or in yellow, it's no problem. As long as we have the RAL or BS number, we can customize it to suit your area. And that means you get a fully professional workshop that you, your employees and your customers really value.
A very professional video there, Mandy, and a very professional setup. I hope you've had a fantastic MACH.
We have, and it's not over yet.